In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Printify product. Duplicating a product is a quick way to create variations without rebuilding everything from scratch. It's perfect for testing new colors, tweaking designs, or adjusting pricing while keeping your original listing intact. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Printify. You can type the brand name into your search engine or enter the address directly if you already know it. When the results load, choose the official Printify website. Look for the secure lock icon in your browser and make sure the domain ends with printify.com so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the site, log into your account. Use your usual credentials and complete any security prompts if they appear. After you're signed in, head to the My Products section. You'll typically find it in the main navigation or in your account dashboard. If you manage more than one store within your account, make sure the correct store is selected so you're viewing the right product catalog. Now locate the product you want to copy. You can scroll through your list, use the search bar to type the product name, or filter by collection or status to narrow things down. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact item you want to duplicate, including the print provider and any variants you've set up. Next, click the duplicate icon, which looks like two overlapping squares, next to that product. It's usually positioned in the same row as the product name and actions. A single click creates a copy with the same base settings, including design placements, colors, sizes, and connected provider details. This is helpful because you won't need to reconfigure those options again. After you click, a new copy of the product will appear at the top of your My Products list, marked as a draft. That draft status is intentional. It gives you a safe place to review and adjust before using the new version. This is a great time to rename the product to something descriptive so you can tell it apart from the original, especially if you plan to create multiple variations. You can also review variants, double-check print areas, and fine-tune pricing to fit your goals. If you spot anything off, it's easy to adjust since nothing is live yet. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a Printify product. With the draft in place, you can confidently make edits without risking changes to your original listing, streamlining your workflow and saving time on future product iterations.